Hi there, I'm Lina. Today we continue trading on the Quotex platform. But before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details, and now we can start our trade session. Here we can open our deal for an increase since we see how our price was in an underbought state where it reached the resistance line from the support line, which is now being formed. The trend turns to an upward one, as you and I see a good candle going up. So we see by the alligator our channels have closed, which tells us that now we are steering an uptrend. So we are waiting for the completion of our deal. Great, we closed our trade, so let's move on. We will use a currency pair that will give us a higher payout percentage. Here we can open our deal for fall. As we see, as we see that here we had a very confident long body at the candlestick, which the alligator intersecting with the channels can also tell us. A downtrend begins according to which we opened our trade and are waiting for the completion of our trade. Perfect, we have closed our trade. So we will be using the new currency pair. We can bet on an increase in the price. As we see, the price was in an overbought state. The trend went down. We see how the contact of the support and resistance levels formed in our picture. This indicates that an upward trend is about to occur. So we are waiting for the completion of our deal. Our trade worked great after the trend opening. It came in very successfully. We use further currency pairs. Here we can open our uptrend trade. Since we see how the shadow of the candlestick is as a signal that the picture's purchase is now starting. Since we are now in a downtrend, according to the alligator indicator, we see a slight upward turn. That is, we smoothly switch to uptrend and the price reached the support level. Let's wait until our deal is completed. Great, so we have successfully closed our deal. As we can see, the price went up. There was no need to be afraid that our deal would not close, as I was sure that the price would go up anyway according to the time frame. Let's open the next currency pair. So here we can open our trade to reduce the price, since we see that the alligator's mouth after the outgoing impulse is now open like that of an animal. We see the distance between our channels. This means that our trend continues to go down. So now the price is in an unbought state, after which an increase should occur on a trend reversal. Now we'll close our deal plus. As I said, the alligator indicated that it was eating out the price. It fell and began to sink, but now there will be a reversal along the trends, but we will not risk it here, so we will use a new currency pair. Here we can open our trade to reduce the price. As we see that we have a downward trend, our price continues to fall, so we can confidently close our trade along the trend without coming up with anything. We are waiting for the completion of our transactions. Great, we closed our deal like I said. We don't stop and continue to move on. We have a very high payout percentage, so we will use the following currency pairs. Here I think we can immediately open a deal for an increase in the price, since we see that the price was in an additionally purchased state where they cannot give us an impulse to reversal on an uptrend, so we'll wait for a closed deal, which will close for us in plus. Well, we closed our trade perfectly. Here we see how the trend reversal continues, so we move on to trade further. Here we can open a double trade to reduce the price, since we can see that now we have a trend reversal with an underbought state to an overbought state. Now we see how red candlestick impulse is formed, which indicates that the trend will now reverse to a downtrend. Therefore, we are waiting for our deal to close. And we perfectly closed the deal, as I said. The trend has gone down. I like to open trades on impulses because I'm best at calculating them. Here we will open a triple deal to reduce the price, as we see that the trend is downtrend. The price is moving down as it now seeks to reach the support level before the bulls begin to buy. So now we can confidently say that we will now have this deal successfully. And let's wait until our trades are closed. We closed our deals perfectly, but we will not stop here and continue our trading. Let's choose the highest percentage. Here we'll open our deals. 5 at once very confidently and very potential, since we see that we are now in an overbought state. The price moves and goes down, which means that the trend will begin to descend, as we see how the tangent middle lines of our alligator are refracted. The deal will go positively for us now, as we see a confident red candlestick. Let's wait until the deal is completed. So we closed our trade perfectly. my strategy works, as I worked it out after candle impulses at support and resistance levels. And in conclusion, I recommend you my private signals. You can get it by link in description and to get good bonuses. Thank you for watching.